Hello creative souls, and welcome to this week's video. I'm starting the video in the studio because I'm going to be packing up and going to a place called Badbury Rings. So I'm taking Birdie. I'm building my confidence in getting out and about in Birdie, although this is only my second time going out. The reason for my trip out today is because I'm going to be taking my nature journal. I do share my nature journal pages on my Patreon page, so if you head over there you can become a free member, and then I post my finished pages every weekend. We're nearly there. We've arrived, and what is it with the National Trust car park? They're just so bumpy, but we're here. We made it through the Saturday traffic. It's the Dorset County Show this weekend. Whoa, this road is absolutely awful. I've certainly put Birdie through it, and this is only our second trip. We're so excited because the kettle is whistling. It's only taken half an hour to boil. Sorry for the interruption, but this is a quick call to action for all my viewers out there that haven't subscribed yet. Please hit that subscribe button. It really helps this small art channel to grow, where I'll share more arty content with you. Hit the subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment. I do reply to all of them. Your support is greatly appreciated. Enjoy the rest of the video.